2006 Ford Escape Hybrid, 26,000 original miles. This was a government vehicle. In like new condition. Not a door ding, scratch, or rock chip on the vehicle. Once again, a government vehicle, fully fleet maintained. 26,000 original miles. Alloy wheels. Brand new tires. Does not have the original tires on there. Fog lights. Not a door ding, scratch, or rock chip. Nothing on the windshield. Roof rack. Power seat. Cruise control. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Original floor mats. Original owner's manual, both sets of keys, AM, FM, CD, 527,000 miles, 27,527 miles at the time of this video. Sorry. Back seats have never been sat in. This was a government vehicle. Rear cargo area is pristine. (2006) Ford Escape Hybrid, 27,000 original miles, government vehicle, fleet maintained, needs nothing, in immaculate condition.